All right, so we got an older style Whirlpool. We just got done doing the clutch on it. I will link the video if you're having issues with your washer that the clothes are coming out damp. But this is dealing with the agitator portion. Now in your washer, this should turn in one direction, meaning when this is turning, it rotates. But when it's bad, it doesn't move. As you can see, when it should be agitating. Okay, so depending on your model, you're gonna have either 7/16 or you're gonna have like a 1/2 inch drive. And once that's removed, lifts it up, tip it upside down, and the things that we're looking for were right here. But given the age of this unit, everything is eaten and destroyed. You should have a clip or a little cover, which is right here. You can see it, but this is eaten up. It's amazing. These machines, they run and they run. So we're not gonna take this fully off, we don't need to. And it's like a retainer and a glider. It sits on top. It also holds them in. But there's nothing at all. They're totally gone. So they're gonna look like this. Four of them come in a pack. I like to use Whirlpool. Whirlpools are actually black. The other ones are in my van. So these came with the kit. So we'll use them. They work. And they go like that. And they basically should go like that as the machine is agitating and it grabs along the edge on the top agitator. You have a set of teeth and they bite into it. For people that really want to know how they work. Some people just don't care. Just let me know how to fix it. All right, there you go. All right, now we can slide this back down. Now yours is going to be probably out to here, and it keeps them from falling out, especially when you flip it upside down. They stay in place. If it's really bad, you want to go ahead and get a screwdriver or a pick and get all this stuff cleaned out. It's all crunched up plastic and whatnot. So you want to get that out. All right, that's pretty much it. Nothing fancy about it. Just get anything that is obstructing the pathway out. All right, now you can insert this and you can see it goes in one direction. Now if you try to go back this way, it stops. See that? And that's how that works. All right, now when you put this on, I like to keep this held and just rotate your hand until it falls into place. See that? Now it goes backwards and only backwards. That's it. All right, let's tighten this up. Nothing crazy. Don't go crazy on it. Just snug it. That's it. Cap on. That's how you change your dogs.